Hey everyone, Mark here from the windowcleaningstore.com. Today I want to show you the Xero Pad Holder Kit. In this particular case, it's holding a walnut pad. This little device gets installed behind the brush head on your water-fed pole. This will assist you in cleaning off extra hard debris off the glass, such as bird droppings, building runoff, or even hard water stains. So like I said, it does get installed behind the brush. So here it is on a Xero fast lock system. So we got the brush on one side and the pad holder kit on the other. Now you can, do your initial brushing with your pure water, and if you've got some debris, like I said, having a hard time getting off, you can just turn your pole around and then use the walnut pad to, safely remove that debris. In some particular cases where you have building runoff or even hard water stains, you can even use like a hard water stain remover solution, such as the sorbable hard water powder, which you could sprinkle on this pad or spray it with some crystal clear 550 or whatever, and help that assist you burn through some of that hard water staining. Now, like I said, this is set up on a Xero fast lock system. In the kit, when you do get it, you will get, like I show you here, the little stem piece as well as the pad holder, as well as a set of screws, which allows you to be able to stick this in the middle. If you take a look at your angle adapter, you got two sides, and so the stem piece will get installed in the middle. So if you have an existing fast lock system, you'll have the longer screw for that. As well, if you have a Gardiner system, they give you a screw that will fit that. Keep in mind, with the Gardiner system, you have this tubing that they put in. They have it as part of their angle adapter. It will have to go off to one side, but it does work. And of course, for those of you who are still using the Euro threaded systems, like an Unger angle adapter or any other system that, like I said, Euro, it pretty much fits in there as well. They give you the screw for that, the extra longer screw. So it's very compatible with other brands besides Xero. I don't have a Tucker angle adapter with me at the moment, otherwise I would show you that as well. So anyway, I'm pretty sure a lot of people will find this handy, especially on first-time cleans, or like I said before, any kind of staining that you might have on the glass, such as building runoff, which you see on a lot of commercial projects, or even hard water stains. Anyway, thanks for watching.